First question is highest mountain peak of India is known as K2. Second question, Indian continent was earlier part of. Answer is Gondwana land. Who led the revolt of 1857 in Bihar? He was Kuwar Singh. The spiritual sides of nationalism was voiced by. मैंने राजा राम मोहन रॉय टिक करा था, मैं श्योर थी, बट द राइट आंसर इज स्वामी विवेकानंदा. Question number 5. Which newspaper propagated strong nationalist views during India's freedom struggle? That was Amrit Bazar Patrika. Question number 6. Who intervened in a dispute between the workers and mill owners of Ahmedabad in 1918? राइट आंसर इज महात्मा गांधी. वहाँ मुझे अहमदाबाद बारडोली दिख रहा था, पता नहीं सेंटर पे क्या ही हो जाता, और मैंने बारडोली समझकर वल्लभ भाई पटेल टिक करा था, बट रॉन्ग आंसर. द राइट आंसर इज महात्मा गांधी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. नेम द लेफ्ट विंग लीडर ऑफ बिहार प्रोविंशियल किसान सभा. हु पॉपुलराइज्ड दिस इन बिहार. मुझे आइडिया नहीं था इसका आंसर, सो मैंने रन ऑफ द एबव सेलेक्ट किया, बट द राइट आंसर इज कार्यानंद शर्मा. Diman committee was appointed to report on the working of Diarchi. He was a great unifier in India, who taught us not only bare tolerance of others, but the willing acceptance of them as our friends and comrades in common undertakings. Who said it? ये लाइन्स थी आपकी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू की, बट मैं वहाँ ऑप्शन ही भूल गई. नन ऑफ द एबव भी हो सकता है, और मैंने बी चूज़ करा. हु प्रोसीडेड टू ऑर्गेनाइज द प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ फ्री इंडिया आउटसाइड द कंट्री. आंसर इज सुभाष चंद्र बोस. चलिए आपके मैथ्स वाले क्वेश्चन. ए प्लेयर मेक्स 7 complete revolutions of a circular path to complete a race of 2200 meters. The radius of the circular path is 50 meters. Question number 42. If the capacity of a cylindrical tank is 1848 and the diameter of its base is 14 meter, the depth is of the tank is. Right answer is 12 meter. Question number 43. Right answer 148.8. 44. Right answer is 20%. Question number 45. Are you wrong? Question number 46. Wrong. The right answer is 5 to 7. Question number 47. The right answer none of the above. 300 rupees. How many coins of 2 rupee are there in the bag? How many coins of 2 rupee? 300 coins. 48. The interior angle of a regular polygonal exceeds its exterior angle by 108 degree. How many sides does the polygon have? 10. Next question. Zinc oxide is normally used in the manufacture of. Answer is A. Paints. Len's law is derived from the law of conservation. Len's law is derived from the law of conservation of energy. Answer is none of the above. Glycogen stored in liver and muscles of human body is in form of polysaccharide. Question number 52. In which of the following blood has defective hemoglobin? Sickle cell anemia. Right answer is. In which of the following medicine production ethyl alcohol can be used? Right answer is antiseptic. मैंने antipyretic टिक करा, स्ट्रॉन्ग है. राइट आंसर इज एंटीसेप्टिक. 54. इसका आंसर रॉन्ग है. 55. If a bacterium cell divides in every 15 minutes, how many bacteria will be formed in 2 hours? Answer is 256. Plants and animal cell differ in which of the following structure? Cell wall. According to the recent report of Forbes, which is the strongest currency in the world? Answer is कुवैती दीनार. मैंने फर्स्ट कुवैती दीनार और ओमानी रियाल के बीच में कंफ्यूज थी एंड देन मैंने ओमानी रियाल को ही टिक किया, बट द राइट आंसर इज कुवैती दीनार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 58. इन विच सिटी ऑफ महाराष्ट्र डिड PM नरेंद्र मोदी लॉन्च 8 एमरट प्रोजेक्ट्स? राइट आंसर इज सोलापुर. कोल्लम केरला में है, सोलापुर महाराष्ट्र में और बड़ौदा गुजरात में. दैट्स वाई मैंने सोलापुर को टिक करा. हाँ, सोलापुर इज द राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 59. IIT Madras has tied up with whom to launch e-mobility simulation lab? Right answer is Altair. बट मैंने टिक स्टारलिंक को किया था, सो ये रॉन्ग है. राइट आंसर इज अल्टेयर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. Who won the Best Actor Award at the Academy Awards 2024 Oscars? Cillian Murphy. Right answer is Cillian Murphy. Question number 61. Who was recently selected at the ICC Women's T20 Cricket of the Year 2023? Was confused between Matthews and Brandt, and then I take Brandt, but the right answer is Matthews, West Indies. Haile Matthews, West Indies. Question number 62. Who was crowned Miss World 2024 in Mumbai? Christina. Right answer. In which country will the Clean Energy Investor Forum be organized by IPEF? Right answer is सिंगापुर, बट मैंने टिक फ्रांस को करा था, सो ये रॉन्ग है. इंडिया हैज़ एक्वायर्ड द राइट टू ऑपरेट द फॉरेन सिटवे पोर्ट. इट्स विच कंट्री? राइट आंसर इज म्यांमार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट ऑफ गंगा डेल्टा is called Sundarban. Right answer. Which river is frequently changing its course of flow in Bihar? Is right answer is Kosi. Plant roots get water from soil as capillary water. How much equatorial diameter is larger than polar diameter? No idea. And the right answer is 43 kilometer. Question number 69. The Indian Standard Time is taken at which longitude? Right answer is 82.5 degree east. In India, Green Revolution is known to credit to whom? Right answer is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan.